This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini S25 Ultra. First, carefully unbox your new device and ensure all components are present, including the charging cable and any included accessories. Next, connect the charger and allow your Gemini S25 Ultra to reach a full charge before powering it on for the first time. Once charged, simply follow the intuitive on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup process, personalizing your experience right from the start. This ensures optimal performance and a smooth introduction to your device. The Gemini S25 Ultra offers a highly intuitive interface. Master its navigation by utilizing simple swipe gestures to access various applications and features quickly. You can personalize your experience by customizing the home screen with widgets that display essential information at a glance. Don't forget to dive into the comprehensive settings menu, where you'll find many options to fine-tune your device to perfectly match your preferences and daily routine. To truly maximize your Gemini S25 Ultra, explore its powerful features. Experiment with the advanced camera modes to capture professional quality photos and videos in any environment. Extend your device's usage throughout the day by enabling the smart power saving settings, which can significantly boost battery life. Plus, take advantage of its robust connectivity options to effortlessly link with other smart devices, creating a truly integrated digital ecosystem for all your needs. Maintaining your Gemini S25 Ultra ensures its longevity and peak performance. Always use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the screen and body, avoiding harsh chemicals. Remember to regularly back up your important data to a cloud service or external drive, safeguarding your precious memories and documents. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. They are super handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.